Thanks, Jan Willem, and hello again, everyone. Next up, I'm going to talk to you about responsive page layout. This is a new feature that we've added to DivePort. It allows you to use a single site design for a variety of different display sizes. This is an example of a DivePort page that we've set to use the responsive page layout. As I make my browser window narrower, the chart portlets here automatically shift based on how much horizontal space is available. They'll do the same thing if they are displayed on different display sizes on different devices. The way you set this up is you go to the page settings and set the layout to be responsive grid. In this particular case, we've set the number of grids to be 3. And these 3 grids are one at the top for the quick view portlets, one in the middle for the chart portlets, and one at the bottom for this measures portlet. This allows the page to keep its overall structure while shuffling the chart portlets around as needed for different display sizes. So to sum up, responsive page layout is a new feature that we're adding to DivePort, and it allows you to use a single site design for a variety of different display sizes. Next up, Jamie is going to talk to you about new features that we're adding to Spectre.